So for tonight, we are staying in the Delta. We are staying in the Delta by Delta Hotels by Marriott Hotel here at Heathrow Airport. Just checked in. The rooms are quite nice. The people at reception were fantastic. They've really helped us out and made everything smooth and easy as we checked in. 10 out of 10 so far. I'll do a little review of the room when we get back to the room, and I'll do a little walkthrough of the hotel as we go through. So this is the entrance to the hotel here. Got the spinny doors. Which I will be avoiding because I've got a suitcase. So it'll be easier for me to go through here. And then we've got the restaurant up here, a nice pizza restaurant and the bar. And then we've got reception. And then over here on the right, there's a little shop. It seems very American. There's a little shop in the restaurant, in the hotel. Feels odd. Now, we think there might be a pool. I'm not sure. Just take a walk down the super long corridor, and then we'll head to our room and have a quick look at. It's just a little double room, nothing special, but perfect for one night. So this is our room at the Delta by Marriott. Mirror with some storage behind there. So we've got a mirror with some storage behind there. Unfortunately, you've also got a picture of me, which isn't ideal. Tea and coffee facilities. Kettle. Won't be having one of those in America. There is a little fridge as well. So, yeah, a little fridge where we can keep some stuff cool for the. We've got to have some cold drinks. And then we've got a bathroom with a shower and a bath. Looks perfectly fine. No issues here. And then we've got 2 double beds, a television with a chest of drawers, a rack to put your luggage on, 2 cases already in the room. And then we've got a little desk if I was going to do some work, which I'm not. And a little seating area where you can sit and be civilised. And then we've also got a little monkey, where a monkey has come with the room. No, go away, monkey, go away. Monkey.
Dad.
No, I'm not your father, I can't be your father. You're a monkey. And then we can see outside. And we're on the ground floor. And you can see outside to the car park, where people are bringing their luggage in and stuff. But overall, this is a nice enough room for a one-night stay before we go to the airport tomorrow. Can't complain at all. The hotel's nice. We think we've stayed here before. I'm pretty certain I've stayed here before when we went to Legoland years and years ago, pre-Oliver. That's how long ago it was. So it definitely, there's something that reminds me about it. One thing we do have to do, because with our package we paid for one night in the hotel and then parking for the 19 days that we're here for until the 2nd of September. And we do have to move the car from the current car parking space, which is right at the front here, and we've got to move it into 3, 4 or 5. So we'll do that a bit later. No rush to do it. We can do it in the morning if we want to, but once we've got the luggage in, we'll move it around, probably after we've gone to have some tea. But overall, really nice room. Can't moan about this. It's perfectly fine. There's no issues at all. So the hotel has a fitness centre as well, open between 6 o'clock in the morning and 10:30 p.m. So I might come for a swim or something in the morning before everybody gets up. Maybe.
Which one has a swim? Is there a pool?
I don't know. I think there is. So they've got a pizza restaurant over here. Unfortunately, I have a child who doesn't like pizza. You have been watching Munchy Road Hippopotamus. Thank you for joining us in our adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our channel, and tell us about any adventures that you have in the comments below. Get out there and explore your world.